Take command of the road in the 2009 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz prioritized comfort and style by including delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, a power seat, heated door mirrors, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.